of such teachers who need our appreciation, and we need to acknowledge their efforts. So without any further delay, in Montessori section, Miss Sadia is requested to join us on the stage. For being the best teacher, Miss Sadia is requested to come forward to the stage and receive the award of excellence. In Montessori section, for being the most dedicated teacher, dedicated co-teacher. She is assistant teacher in Montessori section, but she is really doing well. Miss Huma is requested to come forward and receive this award of appreciation, award of excellence from the blessed hands of Sir Amir Beg. In Montessori section, we have another wonderful teacher, hard-working teacher. For being the most devoted teacher of Montessori section, Mrs. Sadaf is requested to come forward to the stage and receive the award of appreciation. In Montessori section, we have another very hard-working teacher. For being the most dedicated teacher in Montessori section, Mrs. Nida Wasim is requested to join us on the stage and receive the award of appreciation from the blessed hands of Sir Amir Beg. MashaAllah. In junior section, for being the most dedicated teacher, Mrs. Zohra Farhan is requested to come forward after Mrs. Nida. Yes, Mrs. Nida, MashaAllah. For being the most dedicated teacher of Montessori section, she is receiving this award. In junior section, for being the most dedicated teacher, Mrs. Zohra Farhan is requested to come forward to the stage and receive the award of appreciation. In junior section, for being the best teacher of Al-Sufa Reflection, we have another very hard-working, very dedicated teacher. For being the best teacher in junior section, Mrs. Nausheen Kashif is requested to come forward to the stage and receive the award of appreciation from the blessed hands of Sir Amir. In senior section, we have another most dedicated teacher. For being the most dedicated teacher in senior section, Miss Wahida is requested to come forward to the stage and receive this award of excellence from the blessed hands of Sir Amir Beg. In senior section, we have another best teacher award. For being the best teacher in senior section, Mrs. Ruhi Ali is requested to come forward to the stage and receive the award of appreciation from the blessed hands of Sir Amir Beg. For being the most hardworking, devoted, dedicated assistant coordinator of senior section, Mrs. Sarwat Hasib is requested to come forward to the stage and receive this special award from the blessed hands of Sir Amir and from the blessed hands of Madam Sehrish. मैं Madam Sehrish से चाहता हूँ कि आप भी मिस के साथ खड़े होकर इनको appreciate करें. Excellent efforts. We have another assistant coordinator in. We have another excellent assistant coordinator. She has been outstanding throughout the session, working really hard in all the departments, in all the aspects. So we need to appreciate and acknowledge her efforts. For being the most dedicated and hard-working assistant coordinator of senior section, Mrs. Sadaf Aurangzeb is requested to come forward to the stage. ये तो फौजी इनको ये एक्ट देखने के बाद फौजी बड़ी दुआएं देंगे इनको. फौजी इनको अपनी माँ का खिताब देने वाले हैं, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. And last but not the least, अगर कोई कश्ती कामयाबी के साथ अपना सफर तय कर रही है, if there is a ship that is on a successful voyage in the sea, credit goes to the team, but the major credit goes to the leader, the captain of the ship, Miss Wahida. Yes, I named her, but she wasn't here. Miss Wahida, for being the best teacher, dedicated, devoted, she is receiving the award of excellence from the blessed hands of Sir Amir. So majorly credit goes to the captain of the ship, and you know very well the personality I am talking about, the one and only. आपकी तालियां बताएंगी आप इनके efforts, इनकी dedication, इनके devotion, and the way she is working really hard to prosper our Al-Sufa Reflection Campus 1, to bring motivation among the students and to bring the educational status of the Al-Sufa Reflection, the way she has been cooperating with the parents, the way she has been motivating the students, the way she has been playing her role as a mentor, as a leader and coordinator of the campus. Please put your hands together for the one and only Madam Sarish. अरे मुसलमानों, अब तो भरपूर तालियां होनी चाहिए हैं. Thank you very much, madam, and thank you very much once again to all the parents for being here with us. And you are the one who made this program, made this function, mashallah, successful. And finally, there are some teachers who need appreciation, and they have done their level best, mashallah. Certificate of merit goes to. Okay, teachers are distributing the results among the students. That's why these certificates will be, inshallah, distributed in the last. And at family level, we are going to celebrate it together, inshallah. Well done, very well done. Let me name them: Miss Mahin, Miss Mavish, and Miss Sania, Miss Shima, Miss Humna, Miss Alina, Miss Tehreem Fatima, Miss Maham Imran, Miss Zohra, and Miss Maham Ishrat, and Miss Samreen, and Miss Sir Babar. Sir Babar is looking great. माशाल्लाह आज 2 पीस में आए हुए हैं. हमने आज हाथ के हाथ उनका वलीमा भी करा देना है. सर बाबर एंड सुफियान जी. सर मुइज माशाल्लाह बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हमारे माशाल्लाह ऑफिस असिस्टेंट हैं और बहुत ही जबरदस्त है माशाल्लाह. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आज के प्रोग्राम के हवाले से हम कमेंट ले रहे हैं अपने कैंपस कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ अल-सुफा रिफ्लेक्शन 2. हाउ डिड यू फाइंड आवर शाइनिंग स्टार्स, देयर परफॉर्मेंसेस, the way we presented the result overall, your opinion about?
This is Sobia Shahid, who is the academic coordinator of our Al-Sufa Reflection Gulshan campus, and she has been serving in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia in different schools. She has also observed different annual distribution function there, and I want to listen from her what sort of difference she found in the functions of Riyadh schools and Al-Sufa Reflection.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here. First of all, I am very happy to be a part of Al-Sufa Reflection. Thank you, Mr. Amir. And I have seen a huge difference in comparison between Riyadh and here Al-Sufa. There is a huge difference, a well-organized. Mr. Shahriz, she has done a beautiful job. It's it's well-organized, and the teacher, they are behaving they are doing as a teamwork. I'm very happy, and so we can do some good. Thank you so much. Thank you.